Alright, we're out here today. We're fishing in Gentle Annie. I got Xavier with me.
How you going, guys?
And I'm just sort of running him through how to chase the whiting up the top end here. So what we're going to do is, before we get any rods in the water, we're just going to get our burley going, and we're just going to cut up a whole bunch of baits. So he's got block of pilly for burley. I've got a bit of bread with some pilly oil as well. And for baits, I'm just going to run squid strips, and I've got some salted pilchards that I'll run some little strips of that as well, just some cocktails. But yeah, we'll make sure we've got heaps and heaps of baits before we get any rods in the water, because if we get onto the fish, we don't want to be chopping bait. We just want to be able to hook up, keep going. So we'll get into it. Alright, so we've got pilly, squid. That's the belly pot. Belly pot got mashed up just after I let the pillies defrost for a bit. And now we'll just wait and see if we can get the fish. And if we don't have a fish within the first 15 minutes, we'll move on to the next spot. Xavier loves his pinkies, so he'll be keeping that for sure.
Smallest hook, the lightest gear. How far is that? Hey Lena, how are you? Okay, alright, the boys will accommodate you. I'm just fishing at the moment. Be home soon. Okay, bye. Sister's come up for the weekend. Where she live? She lives in Werribee. She's come up. I can stay because I'm going anyway. Yeah, that's the one we've got. Every time you talk about moving spots, you end up getting the full hook.
that, because that is a horse. I've had to turn the camera off a little bit because of the rain, but have a look at the size of this thing.
I'll just get my hand around him.
That's awesome. Some good fish here.
The rain's come, so fish.
I just found a school of salmon. Oh, nice little jump. Great fun on the cast. Just watch him go mental here. Just take your time with him. That's it. Let him go down if he wants to go down. Ah. Lift her in. Bang.
Yeah, that's pretty fat, eh?
That's it.